Today we have a 1987 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe. It is special ordered granite green metallic. It's one of my favorites. The 3.2 Carreras are awesome. Let's go for a ride. Okay, well, she's been sitting outside all day. Let's fire it up. 3.2 liter Motronic Carrera. Probably the best of the best. If you had to choose one that would be a workhorse and do everything right, this is it. So let's get on the road and put it through its paces. We're also going to go through the car to see what may be needed, if anything. So let's start with the radio. Well, the radio works. Mirror is tight, glove box clean. It is nice and warm outside, so let's try the AC. Nice and cold, let's turn it down a little bit. Clutch and gearbox are really good. Wait, obligatory.
Tally ho. From Stuttgart.
From Stuttgart. So let's try the lovely sunroof. As most enthusiasts know, the 87 to 89 Carreras had a G50 5-speed gearbox with hydraulic clutch assembly rather than the earlier cable-operated 915 gearbox, which was around for so many years since the 70s. Here is cruise control, which is working. Lovely. Don't need that, especially since we don't want to run into the police car. That is a hell of a way to make friends, I tell you. Let's try the door locks work. Well done. Let's do the windows. Window down, window up, window down, window up. Let's try the intermittent wipers. Working intermittently, off. The oil level gauge is working, fuel gauge is working, truck pressure, not to be confused with oil pressure because it is the same thing, is excellent. It has got 46,948 miles, so let's just call it 47,000. Interior is in excellent condition. Let's open the sunroof. Should we open the sunroof too?
Yeah. That's nice.
Really nice day out. We usually do this on the way back, but we're showing the gearbox. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and once again, well, let's close some of this. Once again, the 3.2 Carrera was the workhorse of them all and basically bulletproof as long as you took good care of it along the way. We're going to turn onto the curvaceous road, head up to our flybys as usual, and you know, JJ.
Yeah.
No. JJ.
Yes.
Jettison Jason. Can we say, again, 3.2 liter Motronic, bulletproof, great color combination. Here we go. JJ. You know what's going to happen here too, right? It's going to be the old Jason stare down with Tom. Just so you know.
Yeah.
Every time we do this, I'm going to continue to go a little bit further up the block, so you have to walk back to the corner. Get out of the car. Please, get out of the car. So the flybys are over. It is a wonderful 3.2 Carrera. We're going to go back through suburbia this time. We're going to try the mirrors. Perfect. Perfect. And I don't think there's any reason to go on the farm road to show its might. It is, again, an 87 3.2 Carrera. It's got plenty of horsepower, just enough grunt and character of a proper 911 G-bodied car. Man, it's a nice day here. You know, in the last month or so, my arborist here has not really discussed the foliage. You know, and it's lovely. It's spring that has definitely sprung. You know, summer's around the corner, and yeah, you know, that's a segue into, you know, talking about the trees.
What can you say? It's beautiful out here. The weather's perfect. The trees are in full bloom. It's beach weather soon. What more can you ask for?
Yeah, no beach weather for us this year.
Yeah.
Too many sharks.
Too many sharks.
Too many sharks. My youngest, kidding, she was surfing and enjoying it in Montauk until we brought it to her attention that in a black wetsuit she looks like a seal. And that does not work well when you see so many sharks in the area. So, we're going to enjoy sitting by the pool this summer. Has anyone really seen Shaggy's hair?
It's particularly shaggy right now.
I mean, woofa. All right. Well, I hope you guys and gals have enjoyed this video. It's not much to say about a 911 Carrera that has everything working. It just does everything right. And thank you for watching.